Oh, it's such a beautiful day. What should we do today? Luigi, 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 get up. What is it, Mario? I'm so bored. Luigi, it doesn't matter. It's a beautiful day. We should go outside. Yeah, we should go outside, Luigi. It's a beautiful day outside. Yeah, outside. Come on, open the door. I'm opening it. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay. Well, we're outside. Wow, what is that? Oh, get away from us! All the dinosaurs are right here. Get away from us, you creature! Get off from me! Oh gosh, Luigi, I think it's the worst day to play outside. Okay, let's go. Move! Move, you lazy boogers! Wow, Luigi, that was horrible. I'll never get us. Yeah, guy, you'll never get us. What was that? I just heard something. I'm gonna go check it out. Okay. I'm gonna keep on making fun of these guys. Bowser! Bowser, it's me. Bowser! My shell can kill anybody. Yeah, of course your shell can kill anybody. It's spiky. Well, bye, Bowser. Not so fast. Stay back. You have to stay right here. I'll go get some cookies so we can watch the movie. Okay. Bowser's really weird. He's just so weird. He actually is weird. Who cares? Last number 4. Well, bye. Bowser.